Well, hello, my friendly shoppers, and welcome back. This is Gina. Hope you're having a great day so far. So we're back shopping at Aldi. Memorial weekend is coming up here in a few days. It's the unofficial start of summer, in my opinion. You have gatherings and you have barbecues. So we're going to go over some items here at Aldi to help with the Memorial weekend, especially if you are having a gathering or a barbecue. Starting with this beverage dispenser, 2.6 gallons, BPA-free plastic. And the price, seriously, $12.99. So it's a complete package. Everything is just on the inside. And the tray, this tray is $7.99. This screams summer. How cute is this with the fruit? And it is really a good size. And the price is perfect in my opinion. And if you want to serve any charcuterie boards, these marble cheese boards are perfect. And the price is even better. They're only $10. And so this one is heavy because it's half wood and then half marble. Marble is heavy. This one actually has a handle. Let's see if I can grab this one. So very pretty. And then you also have the regular square. And so those are nice, but the price is really great. And if you need outdoor cushions, Aldi has that too. These sell out really fast because they are a good price. I like the thickness of these. I got some similar ones, like the similar cushion. I got them at Walmart for $24.99. These are $18.99. And if you want just a seat cushion, like the bottom, especially like for dining chairs, I like the ties on here. That's always a plus. So there's about 3 different designs to choose from. So how much are the seat cushions? Let's see if I can. Everything, of course, is at the bottom. And those are, $9.99. Not a bad price because they're nice and thick. Now for $70, yes, if you need the charcoal grill, this is for the tabletop. And if you need a grill gazebo, they have that here too. Keep you shaded while you're cooking up all the food. So it's not the hugest gazebo, but these are just perfect. I love the hooks and just to help you, get your little grill area all together. Now it's on the side, $90. Not a bad price for this. It does have a soft top, so I want to let you know about that. And here's another gazebo. So this is a larger one. It's got the netting. So if you have like mosquitoes or any bugs, you could close those up and just enjoy the outdoors. But the price of this is not bad. $170. And it's a 10 by 10 as well. Now, of course, Aldi has so many options of ice cream. There is just so much to choose from. So whether you like the creamy ice cream, even vegan, fruit, I mean, there's so much to choose from. And that's one of the things I love about Aldi. They cover every diet. So vegetarian, vegans, gluten-free. I love that about Aldi. And especially it's a small store. It's not the hugest grocery store. But I love all the options. So they do change up quite a bit as well. Like the fruit bars. I've been seeing so many flavors of the fruit bars. Like we saw strawberry, lime, pineapple, pina colada, yum. The sundae cones. There's so many great ice cream options. And it's really hard to choose, honestly. And yeah, there's even more. And even ice cream for the dogs. See, it covers it just covers everybody and even your pets. This is the location. We had a grand opening last week. It was in the Murrieta over on Clinton Keith. Costco is right across the street. Definitely a different feel than last week. Last week was really crowded, especially when it opened up last Thursday. It has calmed down a bit, which is really nice. But continuing on with our Memorial weekend, French fries and tater tots at $10.99. We talked about these last week. These are the chicken breast fries. And then for $7.99, they have another type, whole grain chicken breast fries. So the other ones were spicy. Those are not so spicy. $5.95. If you want some pizza snacks, they have the pepperoni and the combination. I didn't find like all cheese, but for $20, if you want to barbecue up some chicken, they have it frozen here. It's an 8-pound bag. And they have a lot of it, so they are ready for the barbecue weekend. And now for $5.99, okay, the chicken breast kebabs. These look really good. All you have to do is heat them up. Ooh, this is a Greek inspiration. And then for $10 and then $10.69, we have our hamburgers. So there's definitely a lot of meat options here at Aldi. Just for a small store, they kind of do have a good selection. And yes, that party pack is $14.99. And then for $8.99, if you want some turkey burgers, and then $8.49 were the seasoned burgers right behind. Now, it doesn't look like the store has stocked up since last Thursday, but I think they're going to be stocking up any day. And at $1.69, more chicken. So goes from $2.69 down to $1.69. They will make the price adjustment at the register. So that is actually a good price for the chicken. And this one is not frozen. Definitely a lot to choose from. Now, $3.49, the tri-tip. This was a really good deal. It's like 50% off. We bought this last week and had it. It was really good. We cooked it in the crock pot. Yeah, it was just so tender. You have your top sirloin. And then for $1.98 a pound was the ground beef. This is 80/20. Now for the self-checkout, the sale price wasn't coming up. Let them know. They're kind of walking around and they'll make that price adjustment for you. So definitely keep your eye out on the prices for self-checkout. Now that one sounds really good. And then, oh, the chicken patty. So we have the Mediterranean style, and then you have the Mexicali style chicken patties. So many options here. $4.99. The Carolina, somebody left that open. The Carolina barbecue thin crust pizza. Oh, that looks good. And it's the brand Mama Cozy's, which I like. Now they have these very interesting freeze pops. It's a lemonade. These do contain alcohol. So $13.99 for those. And speaking of alcohol, Aldi does carry alcohol. They have wine. As you can see here, they have beer. And they have them in about 3 different areas as well. So we're here in California, so they can sell alcohol. So this 12-pack of Corona is $15.98. And then jumping into the eggs, the egg prices have definitely gone down. The organic for $3.55. Let me see, $2.59, and then $3.39 for the free range. And the hot dogs, always a great barbecue with the hot dogs, and so many different ones to choose from. So there's turkey, there's regular, there's uncured beef, and so whichever one is your favorite, but the prices, they're all really good. So I'm just checking out, this is the second area of the meat in the tri-tip. I decided to grab another one. I mean, 50% off, that's not a bad price at all. And here is the cold area. So if you're looking for wine or beer that's already cold, they have that here as well. You just want to go to, they're usually right by like the cheese. And if you're needing salad for a barbecue, they have macaroni, they have pasta salad, they have potato salad, and the prices are really good here. And then for $5.29, here's another little area with the pasta salad. So this is fresh and zesty. And then the summer caprese. So these actually look pretty good. Actually, they look good for just a lunch. Just pop the top off. If you're needing crackers, yes, Aldi has a really good selection of crackers, especially if you're putting together a charcuterie board. And the chips, a huge selection of chips. Now, speaking of charcuterie board, I'm not going to go over the details, but Aldi has a really great selection of the cheeses. And again, for such a small store, they have a lot. Now, in the chip aisle, we also have the dips for the chips, which is always a plus. They have a good selection here. They also have some of the cold selection as well. That's always the back wall of Aldi. So most Aldis that I travel to, their back wall is their cold selection. And for $4.89, these are the keto-friendly hamburger buns. Yeah, again, they cover a lot of specialty diets. $3.25. These are the fancy hot dog buns, the brioche. Yum. Now that was a pack of 6. Now for $1.39, this is a pack of 8 regular hot dog buns. So these are really popular. And if you want regular hamburger buns, they have those as well. $2.49. And now the Hawaiian sweet rolls in a hamburger bun style. The price under there didn't match the name. I don't know the price of those yet, but if you want some deli rolls, they have those as well. Pretzel rolls. Now these are actually pretzel burger buns, and I'm actually going to grab some of those. If you want some sugar cookies, the patriotic sugar cookies for $3.95. And for $5.89, yes, the apple pie with cinnamon. And this is a good size. This probably feed, I would say, about 5-6 people. Really depends on how big of a slice you want. Perfect with ice cream. And a good price. And then for $1.59, these lemons. These are good size lemons. And of course, now for $7.99 is the watermelon. Give that a good pat. And then you got your onions, which I always like at a barbecue. I love grilled onions so much. And of course, your condiments to go with your barbecue. You know, we have your mayonnaise, your barbecue sauce, and they have some good choices here at Aldi, especially with the barbecue sauces. I know I showed some of these last week. Your mustards, ketchup, whatever kind of ketchup you're looking for, organic, mayonnaise, and there's some good prices here. If you want to get really fancy, some good sauces, heat it up, yeah, add a little spice to it. And if you're needing paper plates, they have you covered as well. So it really depends on what kind of paper plates you're looking for. If you're looking for just like regular plain ones or some thick ones, they have a good selection here. And if you're needing any cutlery, yep, $6.99. And your cups, $4.29. And of course, your napkins. And these are the fancy ones too for $1.99. So everybody, well, thank you so much for coming along. I hope you have a great Memorial weekend. Take care, and I will talk to you later.